What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today is rather special because we're not working on the car, but we're actually going to drive the car. It's time for a road trip and an event. Well, you might be wondering yourself, how can you actually drive the car if the last episode you failed? Well, that's correctly, I failed, but we also succeeded. We didn't give up. And one thing is actually the help of everyone watching the videos. Because someone reached out on Instagram to me giving me some really helpful tips. And that was enough to get it through MOT. So a special thanks goes out to... Really, can't stress this enough. Thank you. Now that it has MOT, we can actually drive the car on the road. And that means time for an event. The event we are going to is VIVA Italia. It's somewhat of a tradition because the last 10 years I've been going there, and every year it's my mission to get the car ready, make it better, so it can get to VIVA Italia and shine like the best car in existence. And I'm going to take you along the ride to the event. But today is King's Day, so we're gonna celebrate that. And tomorrow it's time for VIVA Italia 2024. The seats here are the limited edition seats, and man, they fit the car so good. I actually had to install them because the old seats were not able to recline back and forth like these seats, and the MOT said not gonna happen. So it was necessary, but it is also an upgrade and I like it. Good morning everyone. It's the next day en today... Iemand vond het vervelend dat ik het filmen was. It's too early. Good morning everyone. It's 6:30 in the morning and today it's time for VIVA Italia. Yesterday we had fun at King's Day, but today it's time for some serious matter. Oh, a Porsche.
Cool car, mate.
got the car back on the road and even to Viva Italia. The event was a great success and I even got interviewed. #YouTuber. Is the car done? No, it never is. But for now, it drives. There are still some issues that needs to be fixed, like the cold start. And in the future I want to increase the power. But for now, I will sit back and enjoy it for a while. I want to thank each and every one of you who watched the videos and commented on them. It really helps and this video is the proof of that. I am forever grateful. And one more special thanks goes out to my wife for always supporting me. Oh yeah, and we got a Porsche that needs some attention and upgrades. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.